What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another package. We're gonna get right into it and we're just gonna start opening this. While we open this, I want to give a thanks to Kevin over at Galvanite for sending this package. We have some floor mats today for the Toyota Camry. Some all-weather floor mats. So we're gonna check these out. These are supposed to be made from high quality material. So we're just gonna get right into it. This is the rear floor mat. And man, this is gonna come in really handy because if you have kids like me, you know they like to have their drinks and whatnot. And then also, especially right now during raining season. And then these are dorsal protectors. We're going to be installing these as well. Dorsal protectors. And this is the driver's side floor mat. It has the little tabs to lock your floor mats down so they don't move. Keep them in place. That way they don't get in the way of the gas pedal or the brake pedal. And then this is the passenger side floor mat. It has a really nice design on it as well. I'm liking that already. This is how they look, all laid out. We're going to be installing them in the Toyota Camry. So it's definitely going to give the interior a really nice look. We're going to put in our driver's side floor mat. Walk it down. And look at that. That looks really nice. And this is the passenger side floor mat. And look at that, floor mats look perfect. It has a really nice design. It's raised up against the sides. And this is the rear floor mat for the rear section. Very smooth and easy install. Honestly, I'm really happy with these floor mats. They're better than I expected. I like how they go right up against the edges all around. I would definitely recommend these if you're in the market to get some all-weather floor mats. They're just really nice. The pattern, the quality. We're just going to spray this down and give this a wipe down so we can install the dorsal protectors. And we'll do the same for the front. You want to clean especially around the edges where the tape is going to stick. So we just line it up with the bottom one. Try to do it with one hand. And just stick it down. Apply some pressure. And it gives it a really nice look as well. And I will do the same for the front. Try to do my best with one hand. Just line it up. Line them up to the dorsal. And then once you got it lined up, just apply pressure. Man, they look really nice. At first I was pretty skeptical about installing them, but now I'm pretty happy with them. They complement the floor mats and they just make the interior look really good. Now these are all installed. Just do the same for the other side and you will be done. If anyone is interested in buying these floor mats, I will leave a link in the description down below. So click down below and buy yourself a set today. Thanks for watching, everybody.